This video shows an example about some text from a web page and then processed with Vim. So finally, we get a well-structured Ginkgo tree. Maybe some of you are confused by the strange characters. Oh, it's Chinese. You don't need worry too much about that. You can just treat it as a blah 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 blah. But I think it's very beautiful, right? Just like ginkgo trees, yeah. You know, ginkgo tree is a very old species, even more than 200 million years. It's native to China, but now it's widely spread all over the world. Yeah, so we can find ginkgo trees very beautiful, especially in autumn. The golden leaves all over the trees and cover the grounds, the roads. But it's not only beautiful. Ginkgo also has various uses in traditional Chinese medicine. Here are the texts I want to copy into Ginkgo. In fact, these texts are very important. It's a book called Analects, Analects by Confucius. Do you know Confucius? Confucius, I think, is the greatest philosopher in Chinese, and also I believe is he is one of the greatest philosophers of all over the world, all human being history. It's about more than 200 years ago. But in fact, Analects is not written by Confucius, it's about his teachings and then compiled by his followers. So you can find the text like this. Confucius said, and then one of the, not that, maybe had no relationship. One student said, Confucius said, another student said. So it's very easy for us to copy, select the web page. It's quite long. Ctrl+C. After Ctrl+C, I press Win+R, then Win+Run, Vim. Here is the Vim and paste the text here. This line I need not this dd. Yeah, some split lines. It's very convenient for Vim to delete all the V. The S means blank lines, and then find the blank lines and then delete. Okay. What we want to do is to change this plain text into a markdown. And we want the sentences as heading 2. In Vim, it's very convenient. I press Ctrl+Q into a special mode and GGG to move down the lines, and Shift-G move to the last line, and then press Ctrl+I means insert the hashtag space escape. So each line had 2 hash symbols. But for these lines, in fact, they are heading 1. That means 1 hash. You can edit them one line by one. But in Vim, there's a simple command, global search and replace. Global, checked. Search what? Search hash, something in the brackets. In brackets, there's also a hash and then a space, and then no, 2 numbers and then a space. Change it to what? Just change it to the contents in the brackets. So let's try. Press Y, right, Y. So I press A means all. So all the heading 1 are correct. Okay, let's select all of them and copy into Ginkgo. Into Ginkgo, we new document, blank, and paste. After paste, we'll press the magic hotkey, Ctrl+Shift+Enter. Just wait. Okay, all right. For the heading 1 here, just 20 chapters, and the text are here for each chapter. Yeah, the text. After the texts are copied, transferred into Gingko, I can make notes. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.